Hello guys, in this short video I'm going to be showing some FAQ questions, which is some frequently asked questions in HTML. You can see here on the screen, which is visually to you. You can see what is HTML, the full meaning of HTML, how does a close tag look like. Some common questions: what is a server? What is the difference between the bold tag and the strong tag? You can see it here. What is the difference between the italic and the emphasized tag, which is here, which is with the code? Is HTML a programming language or a backup language, which is backup language? And what is the code for adding background color, which is body style, background color, which I've showed you that any color you like. Okay, and what is a server? A server like is what stores our web page in the internet. Thank